Story has dominated headlines across the globe. Crews insist this remains a search and rescue operation. We head straight to WBZ's Ken MacLeod, who's live at Coast Guard headquarters in Boston tonight. Ken.
Well, Chris, as you mentioned, while the search area doubled in size today to roughly 20,000 square miles, it kind of narrowed in another sense based on noises the Coast Guard admits are still a mystery.
As the first video from the search scene showed Canadian planes scouring the North Atlantic, the dominant subject was the underwater banging noises they detected with the help of an array of sonar buoys.
We don't know what they are, to be frank with you.
Both yesterday and again today, searchers thought they'd picked up periodic, possibly rhythmic banging, the kind of noise someone might make on the inside hull of the submersible Titan while trying to draw the attention of sonar above.
It is possible to triangulate the signals and figure out, the location of where they may have come from.
Indeed, searchers refocused their efforts based on the uncertain noises, even as experts scoured the recordings to better identify and analyze them.
That data was sent immediately to the Navy last night, and it was analyzed overnight. They're still looking at it, but I can tell you that it's inconclusive.
Still, the news fueled hope as more ships, mini-subs, and underwater robots make their way toward the site, where the tourist submersible lost contact with the world above while descending to the world's most famous shipwreck on Sunday morning. It's got only enough oxygen on board to last through roughly 6 a.m. tomorrow, with the Titan not yet located and rescue gear still en route.
Unfortunately, everything in the deep ocean happens sort of slowly. All the equipment, none of this equipment that's heading that way is designed to operate quickly. The environment just doesn't let you do that.
When you're in the middle of a search and rescue case, you always have hope. That's why we're doing what we do.
But searchers insist they're still in 100% rescue mode, despite the odds. Having turned up nothing on the surface, they acknowledge the submersible is very possibly on the ocean floor, 2.5 miles down. And with time running very short, those banging noises are their best lead to save 5 lives.
The good news is we're searching in the area where the noises were detected, and we'll continue to do so.
The number of search assets at the site will roughly double over the next 24 hours, including more underwater robots. Now, if the submersible is on the bottom, hoisting it to the surface will be a very, very difficult job. But at this point, finding it is challenge number one. Live at Boston Coast Guard headquarters, Ken MacLeod, WBZ News.